The column functions are available to user, editor and administrator roles for the desktop and mobile environments. The column functions for a selected dataset or the results of a query or report are accessed using a mouse right-click on the column name or header, and a menu with column functions will appear. In the mobile environment, tap and hold the column name or header to display the column context menu, which will appear at the bottom of your display. The functions are filter, sort ascending, sort descending, hide column, view metadata. Filter allows you to select records to be displayed based on values within a chosen column. The filter is created by selecting the desired operator and value from the filter dataset form and clicking the filter button. Once a filter is executed, the filter dataset form remains. It can be minimized, and the filter parameters are displayed on the form. Filters can be cleared using the Clear Filter button, or by carrying out a new filter, or by exiting the filter dataset form and clicking on the dataset name in the left-hand Databases pane. Sort ascending. Sort all records or results in ascending order. Sort descending. Sort all records or results in descending order. Hide column. Hide the selected column from the current display. View metadata. Display the metadata available for the selected column. Note that at any time the display and available records can be reset by clicking on the dataset name in the left-hand Databases pane.